Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for an episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're doing fried catfish and some french fries too, but main thing is the fried catfish. This is something I've come up with and hope y'all like it. So let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, first thing I do is I get my catfish pieces. These are nuggets or pieces. They're not full fillets. And I marinate them, soak them in buttermilk for, I like to do it for at least overnight. Sometimes a couple hours, but whatever you have time for. So next thing is we got some, this is canola oil. I like using it. We're gonna get it, we're actually gonna put it up on high and get it warm, and then we're gonna mix up our coating. So I'm gonna start out here. This is yellow cornmeal. So that's about a cup and a half or so. And then to that we're gonna add probably a quarter cup of flour. And we're going to put some seafood seasoning in it. You can use Old Bay. This is just a generic form. So I'm going to, about that much, probably a tablespoon. And then we got some Tony's. And just to give it a little bit of a kick, you put as much as you want in it. And then, yes, I'm going to use some salt, but just a little bit. So, all right, let's grab a fork and we'll get that mixed up. Just get that all mixed together. Now you can do this a couple different ways. I've put it in a bag and tossed them that way. 6-1, half a dozen, however you want to do it. Just want to make sure that that's all mixed up good and all ready to go. So, all right, now we just gotta wait for our oil to get up to 360 degrees, thereabouts, and then we'll be ready to do some cooking. So bring you guys back when the oil gets hot. All right, y'all, our oil is up to temperature. So we're going to throw a couple of these little catfish nuggy things into our mixture and get them ready to go. We're going to do about 3 pieces at a time. That way we're not overcrowding, not cooling our oil off too quick. So, all right. There's our 1, there's 2, and there's 3. So, go ahead and get our next one's ready. Get them in the batter. Get them all coated up. And don't take a whole lot of time to cook these things. Our oil was a little bit on the hot side, but it'll be all right. This little nugget here is probably done. Yeah, we're going to say those are done. They're starting to brown up pretty nicely. Let's get 3 more in there. Get some more coated up here. All right. Turn our tongs off here a little bit. Maybe all right. I want to check this little piece right here, y'all. Ooh. Oh yeah, definitely done. Huh, definitely delicious. All right. There are our last 3 pieces in here. Oop, that one was folded over. We'll get that one last. Get that breading in there too. All right. All right. Now we're going to try something that I've never tried before. Somebody said that you can toss your French fries in your leftover batter or your leftover seasoning. Just give them a good toss, and that stuff should stick to them, and it makes them kind of like a seasoned fry. So we're going to give her a try. So, all right. Get me another plate out here ready for my French fries. My seasoned fries. Let's check these things. Yeah, we'll let them go a little bit longer. That little piece is done. Oh yeah, that's done. All right, there we go. There's all of our catfish. So, all right, let's dump a handful of these fries in here. See what we get. See if that actually works or not. So, all right, I'll bring you guys back. We're done cooking these fries. All right, y'all. We got this all plated up. It's time for our taste test. So let's get to our taste test then. All right, y'all. Got my fish here, and just remember, fins, feathers, or fur, you can use your fingers to eat it. So I'm gonna put a little Frankie's Red Hot on here because that's how I like mine. That's awesome, as always. You think y'all should try this batter out? There's coating. It's not really a batter, but remember, soak it in buttermilk 3-4 hours. I like doing mine overnight. Then just simple cornmeal, seafood seasoning, flour, and salt and pepper if you want. And that's what all I put in mine. So, and I put a little bit of that Tony's in there, just give it a little extra bite. But yeah, so simple, easy. If you're got some fish in the freezer and you don't have any store-bought batter or coating, quickly mix this stuff up. So appreciate you all watching. Hope you're gonna try it, and remember, like, comment, subscribe, check out the Amazon store, and we'll catch you all on the next one. So as always, bon appetit.